Everyone, this is Sheshe. Today we are continuing with the Butterfly Dreams card kit. This is the card we are making today. Okay, it's a large card. It looks like a 5x7, I believe. So I have already gone over what's in the card kit. If you need to see that video, I'll link it somewhere. So what it says is to use Vibrant Fuchsia, Garden Patina, and some type of lime green ink, which I don't have. So I'm going to use this color. I would prefer my leaves to be a darker green, just my opinion. You can use whatever ink you like. It's your card. So I'm going to speed up the video. This die cut right here is a little strange to me. I don't particularly like the ends, so I will deviate from the instructions. It does show in the picture is really hard to see. I don't know if you can even see it in the picture, but if you have this at home, it does show in this picture right here, that part is still connected. There is some fussy cutting where this die cut right here is hanging off, and then there's two pieces right here. I don't know if you can see that, but these are hanging off in the picture. So we will cut that apart. So I'm going to speed up the video. There's some inking of the edges around the oval, the eyelet oval, and then there's some inking on the butterfly. So I'm going to get started here. I'm going to speed up the video and play some music. There's inking around the card too, and the Vibrant Fuchsia. Okay, here's the finished card. It turned out so beautiful. It's so sparkly and pretty. Everything looks great with glitter. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're following along, or if you would like to follow along, I'll link the kit in the description box below. We just have one more card to get through. So take care. I will include some pictures at the end. I hope you have a fabulous day.